Thirst is a basic human need, but for more than 160 million workers globally, it's a supply chain crisis. Hello, I'm Rehan Shafique, CEO of AeroDrop. Our project addresses a specific gap in how labor housing is managed across the world. We see too many facilities where drinking water is still handled as a messy, environmentally damaging logistics problem instead of a basic utility. While we are going to start with 150 million workers in the United Arab Emirates, this is a worldwide utility problem, with over 160 million people affected, our target market. We will change this market dynamic by turning water into a managed outcome globally. The current red ocean is a fierce competition over logistics, trucks, plastic jugs, and manual handling. This system creates a massive environmental burden through plastic waste and regular fuel emissions. For managers, it's a constant burden of reordering, storage space, and price hikes. When those logistics hit a snag, workers lose access to a basic resource. The unit on the right is the hardware, but the blue ocean innovation is the business model. In the existing market, you either pay for deliveries or buy expensive equipment. We break that trade-off by eliminating upfront costs in favor of a fixed monthly subscription. The client buys an outcome, on-site water, without the burdens of storage or inventory management. This diagram shows the technical side of how we pull water from humidity. Essentially, we pull moisture from ambient air and filter it to ensure pure water. This highly feasible model is sustainable because it produces pure filtered water on-site with zero input, eliminating the need for single-use plastic jugs and reducing fuel emissions. Reliability is the foundation of our strategy. First, we eliminate the plastic and delivery trucks. Second, we reduce the administrative work of coordinating supplies. Third, we raise reliability by using remote monitoring to fix issues before they even cause downtime. And finally, we create a new water-as-a-service business model. This strategy canvas shows how we differ from the status quo. The red line, or red ocean, represents the old way, which has fierce competition over high logistics costs and manual handling. AeroDrop is the blue line, the blue ocean. The pain points drop significantly in this new market, while availability and monitoring rise. The delivery workflow simply disappears, and it's a fundamentally different and better way to serve the market. Most companies out there either deliver bottles or sell expensive equipment, but AeroDrop operates in a third category, as a managed water utility service. This distinction attracts new demand because buyers don't have to choose between the hassle of deliveries and the risk of owning hardware. The bar utility map pinpoints exactly where the industry fails. The red dots show the current plan. Purchasing is complex, and delivery disrupts productivity. We shift the value to the blue dots. We make maintenance risk-free and usage convenient. We don't just provide water, we fix the entire ownership cycle. Here's how we break down the potential for growth of our non-customers. Tier 1, managers who are just tired of the delivery workflow. Tier 2, operators who are afraid of maintaining their own hardware. And Tier 3, remote sites where delivery is physically difficult. AeroDrop caters to all these customers. Our execution follows the scale plan on screen. We plan to stage a rollout in the UAE, and then once we succeed in this market, we will scale to the rest of the GCC and then advance to the global market. This table details our ramp-up plan over the next 3 years. We start with 25 units to validate and then scale towards 300. The long-term market potential exceeds $1 billion. Each unit generates a recurring profit of $700 per month. The model is both highly scalable and self-funding. Finally, we are focused on validation and readiness. We have already reached out to industry experts like Alexander von Welzig, the international award-winning CEO of Sky H2O, a world leader in global sustainable AWG operations. We also have an LOI framework ready for early pilot agreements. And we have contacted 7 facility representatives. On the supply side, we negotiated directly with manufacturers to lock in a unit cost of $7,000. The comparison is straightforward. Before, the system relied on constant management and logistics. After, it becomes an on-site service that's predictable and clean. AeroDrop isn't trying to compete with water delivery companies. Instead, we create a new blue ocean, replacing the system that acquires them. Please scan the QR codes on screen to view more information on AeroDrop. Thank you.